Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Biweekly Contest 138. With 15 seconds to go. I started a little bit late. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest, these prompts, everything in between. Wish me good luck. And also, each prompt will have its own video, so don't worry about that. This is the live video. And let's go. Yeah, go, Larry. 2 7-pointer prompts, 2 hard prompts. Let's go. Find the key of the numbers. And smallest digit of the ith digit. There's only 3 numbers. I see. I always forget how to do CPAD with it. Don't have to do it this way. This is so weird. Okay, and then wow, I'm really slow on this one today. And also not getting it right. That's just why we always test, right? Sloppy. Okay. Gotta be fast. 2 hard problems. String S of length N and K. Okay. Is this a brute force form? S. It's just doing it, right? How come no one's got it yet? Okay, 20 people got it, so okay. A is 0. Today I am a slowpoke. Alright, now the actual contest begins with 7.3. Alright, let's take a look at this one first. I just wanted to see how many people can give it a try. 2 positive integer n and k. X is k, x is a palindrome. X is divisible by k. Okay. What is the output? K is okay. If k is equal to 2, what is k? Oh, divisible by whatever. Return the count of good integers containing n digits, and n can be n can be 10. Huh. I mean, that's not as k is divisible. Okay. An integer is good if it can be rearranged. Okay, let me think about it. That means we want, and it's n digits. If n is odd, then we just take everything, right? Divisible by 6. Bit mask dynamic programming sounds right. Yeah. Okay. No one's gotten it yet? I'm surprised a little bit. Yeah, maybe not that. I mean, people maybe just whatever. Okay. Okay. If n mod 2 is equal to how do I do a bit count? Oh, it's a power of 2. Okay, so we could do that. And so it's left is equal to 0. So if n mod 2 is equal to 0 and used is equal to 0, then we return 1. If n mod 2 is equal to 1 and used is a power of 2, so something like this, right? Okay. And then now we just do one index at a time, shift and add. So the first digit cannot be 0. That's about it, right? So if from 0 to 10, if index is equal to 0 and I is equal to 0, we continue. Otherwise, we go index plus 1. Used flip 1 to I, and left is left times 10 plus I mod k. right? Something like this. This is wrong though, but it's a good a try. Good a try. Why is this wrong? Am I overcounting or undercounting? Okay, so this one's right, which is good. Okay, I mean, yeah, that should be right. I'm overcounting. Alright, let's try. What do I know the answer to? Say 2, 1. It's just every 2-digit numbers. That sounds right. Okay, so this is not useful. 3, 5. Two people died. I thought this would be right, but 3 is odd. Alright, all this looks right, so I'm not doing anything too funky. F is equal to 0. Okay. What am I doing wrong? 3 digits. 5. Alright, let's do 3, 1. What does that mean? Is that even right? I don't know. What part is I don't know what the right answer is. I'm overcounting on the zeros because 110 is still no good. So how do I get rid of the leading zeros? Okay, so there's no leading 0, but then what about afterwards? Because we cannot do 110. Right? Or 100 is not right, right? So 100 is not right, and that is definitely one of the possible things. 100. How do I handle the 0 case? How do I handle the 0 case? Okay, so let's say we just ignore 0. We should be undercounting. Yep. So then now it's 25. So that means that we are only adding the 2 0 cases. What are the 0 cases? So it's 505 and 550, right? So those are the 2 0 cases. So I have to figure out how to. So what are the impossible cases? That's what we're trying to figure out. Impossible cases are, in this case, 100, 200. So what is it about it that if half the number is 0, then you're forced to put it in the front? If half the number is 0, we'll put one number in the front or more. So if it's 1100, no, half is good. More than half means that we're forced to. Okay. What is that? 10 times 2 times 10 is 10,000 times, okay, 90,000, so zeros should be good. Okay, and otherwise, I guess we just skip it. Okay, we do this, and then we just handle if index is greater than 0. One used just to keep it consistent. right? Except for add zeros. So this is zeros, this is zeros plus 1. And then also if zeros is greater than n, we return 0, something like that. Okay, that's still wrong. Why? Left times 10, use Oh, I have to do it here too. I think I messed that up. Yeah, okay, fine, we do it here. Okay, we removed some for sure, but not enough, or maybe too many actually. No, okay, so that's not even it, right? Is it? Okay, so for 3 digits that's true, but without 5 digits, we have 11000, that's good. So all we need is 2 digits that are non-zeros to be the wrapper. 2 digits that are non-zero, okay. Or others maybe? Others plus 1. If others is greater than 2, then others is equal to 2, just so that we minimize the search space a little bit. Okay, we fixed the 3 and 5. Oh wait, no we didn't. Oh, because we didn't check for this, Larry. Okay, okay, so then now, if others, but then now we've messed up 1 digit, but that's okay. If others is greater than or equal to 2, that means that we have things, right? So that's good. So if it's less than or less than 2, then we return 0 unless it is 1. Right? If n is greater than or equal to 2 and others is less than 2, then okay. Got rid of some of the inputs, but that's not quite right, is it? You still have too many cases. Why? Others plus 1. This is hot and more annoying than I thought handle the thing, honestly. But what am I? Okay, so we have other digits that are non-zero. I don't know if that helps, honestly, but oh well, it doesn't because we want this to show here. So we have other stuff, right? We don't even care about the n is equal to 1 case yet. What the hell is this 27? So we have the middle digit can be 0, so that's what this is. And other digits are 2, right? So that's good. How did I get 35 from this though? What is the thing with the zeros? It's 2 or greater, right? Yeah, so what am I not blocking out here? this is 0, this is... Okay. Let's try this just to see that we have the same answer. Okay, so 25, this is still right with the 25. It means that there are no zeros. Though this is kind of weird, actually, but... So no zeros is 25 is still right. Right? So if others is less than n, right? Others is less than or equal to 1. If we have 2, then that means that others is 0. Why doesn't this filter out stuff? Like, how come this doesn't do anything? And also, how come this is undercounting now? Because of this thing, maybe? Am I doing this thing wrong? This one's overcounting, but this one's undercounting, which is actually surprising. Did I do this wrong? I can't even get this to overcount. Was this wrong before? I don't know why I'm struggling this one, honestly. Well, I don't know why, but I don't know why this is so wrong. I'm trying to get to overcount and still not overcounting. This is good though, I guess. Alright, let's focus on this for now and then we'll figure it out with the 5 case. I guess the even number cases are easier, maybe. I don't know, that's true. Maybe I should have... How many people got in this one? 70 people got in Q4, so I should have maybe done that one first. That's a little bit late. I feel like I'm close on this one though, so I have to get both to do a good score. But why? Oh, well, at least this is good, but that's because of this thing. So non-zero. How? So that means that we have 9. What does others mean? Oh, that means it's just that everything is not 0. So okay, I guess that's fine. But we need... Did I just messed up? Is it just this? No, because then now others have to be equal to 3. So okay. I think it's this, but I don't know why it's still overcounting. A cheating thing, whatever. I guess just all times. I guess it's just here. I think this should print a lot of stuff, hopefully. Okay. So this is good, this is good. Okay, so it's 35. What am I missing? Why is it only 27? Then. Okay. Am I missing some principle here? 110, that's good. Oh, it converts to 101, which is no good. No, wait. Are we? I think I misread this one. Integer is good if its digits can be arranged in the K palindrome. Okay, so after arrangement, it has to be able to. Okay, I misread this one. After rearranging, you're supposed to be modded, not before arranging. I see. So that means that this is not good. Okay, I misread this one altogether. Okay, so then how do I fix this? I don't know if I could fix this like this. Anyway, okay, and that explains why the other is undercounting a little bit. I mean, just because this is so wrong. Okay. Okay, then now this is the question is how many. Okay, so this is the so after arranging has to be mod k. I mean, it's just brute force kind of, but I'm trying to think about the zero cases as well. I think that's the hard part still. So you have to say 101, which is trivial to do, or even 505, which is trivial to do. Then now you have to count, and the count is going to be. I think this is kind of. They actually do show you, but I just kind of okay. Okay, so then now you have to count the number of ways that. Okay, it's actually not that bad. Okay, fine. I just misread this one altogether. Okay, fine. It's annoying to write though, to fix rather. Okay, what am I doing? Just do half of the digits, right? So. I mean, this is it's so silly because this is exactly the problem that we had the other day. So that's why it's a little bit weird. Right. So then now we have. Yeah, this is just exactly silly, right? So, okay, that means that it goes up to 10. We don't even need dynamic programming, right? So it's just 10 to the power of this, which is up to a million or something, right? So maybe that is a little bit sloppy, or no, 100,000. What am I talking about? Right. If it is odd, then we round up. Okay, and then now we have total is, I misread this one so hard. Okay, so current is equal to I plus reverse I, right? If n mod 2 is equal to 0, then this is true, else current is equal to I plus, we skip the first one, or maybe just divided by 10, I guess. All right. I spent half an hour on the wrong problem. This is unfortunate. Hopefully this is fast enough, because we do a lot of these operations. Okay, so then now we have all these things. That is definitely not right. Oh no, this is right, it's just that it has leading zeros. Okay. So that means that we want to start at we want to start at that's not quite right, but well, maybe it is. For 3 digits, it starts at 10 or 5 digits. I mean, it's actually right for whatever, but is it right for 2 digits though? Not this. Oh, this is incorrect. Or maybe no, this is right. Why is this wrong? For even digits. Oh no, this is for 1. That's not an even digit. Okay, for n is equal to 1, then we have 1 digit, so we have left half. Okay. And then if n is odd, then we have so this is 0, but that's because n is equal to 1. Okay, well, if n is equal to 1, we just special case it, I think. I know I could write this in a better way, but I don't know, not doing that. Let's just say, okay, let's just say generate 2, and we have, whatever, it doesn't matter, I guess. Okay, the 2-digit ones are right, the 3 and 5 digits are right, so I think we're good on the generation. So these are all things, and then now it's just about f is equal to so we just have to yeah, I mean, this is actually not that bad. I just kind of misread the problem. So then now we have n factorial. Okay, let's just write n factorial, n fact. Right. Or maybe we just have factorial in general. And then now we have, can we add factorial of n? No, not yet. So we want to say it's going to be this for x in f type values. Current x, right? So count current, and then we have to subtract out the leading zeros. So if after f, oh no, not f, f of 0 is greater than 0, then we want to take out the ones where, okay, current is equal to fact of n minus 1, and then for and then we do f of 0 subtract from 1 for x and f of values, current right, and then count subtract current. I could have int not variable 22. Huh? Oh, this is an int. And also I reused the current, but okay, fine. 2 and 6 is, I don't know if this is right, but definitely the other ones are not right. Okay. Oh, it's not n factorial, is no, it should be. Oh, but do I double count on other? Is it distinct? No, because we're not doing distinct. We're not doing distinct because, okay, that's fine, maybe. Maybe we just have a, this is kind of crappy, but okay, we don't need the int part actually. Because we can move back to that. And then now we have maybe, that's what, does that work? Okay, string doesn't have sort, so then maybe we have a not sorts. Something like this, right? Okay, well. It's yucky. I thought that this would work actually, honestly, but okay, fine. Why? Zero, 1, 1. So we should have already done this one. Oh, this is actually not even right because we don't care about the mod. Larry, you have to think about the mod. Okay, fine. I forgot about the mod part. If int of current mod k is greater than 0, then, or not equal to 0, I can contain you. 29, still overcounting, but maybe it's slightly better. I don't know. I misread this one so hard. Okay, so, well, that's the key. That's actually not quite right though, is it? Print current key. Okay, so we have 50, but how what? Oh, because of this thing. Are we not subtracting correctly? Is that right? Yep, we're not subtracting correctly. This doesn't do anything. This is such a hack in general. But yeah, this is not doing anything. If f of 0, oh, it's f of 0, not f of 0, because I'm a lazy guy. Current x, so it's only for this one. So if this is such a hack now. That is actually surprising. In that, okay, I reused current too much, but okay, we just do a key. But okay, so that makes sense that it is 1. So okay, so 505 is good, but so 505 there's 3 combination, is that right? Yeah, it's 055, 505, and 550, right? Those are the 3 combinations. We subtract 1, so that's true. 555 being 2 is wrong, right? Oh, it's silly, Larry. Okay, now we have the right answer, but is it fast enough? Is it fast enough? Because we do a lot of funky things. So let's do, I don't know, 10, 1, I think is the worst case probably. It looks fast enough. And it's only 41 million, that's YOLO go. Hopefully no wrong answer, okay. I misread that one so hard. Now we have to figure out this one. We have 48 minutes. We're okay. I mean, we could have been better, but we're okay. 41 minutes. I misread that one so hard. All right. A lot of people have gotten this one, so we should be able to get this one. Some people got it in 10 minutes even. All right. Energy of power and energy of damage and health, both. And okay. And enemies, where enemies of I will do I damage while they're alive. Okay, makes sense. Every second after the enemies deal damage to Bob, he chooses one of them that is still alive and deals power of damage to them. Okay. Determine the minimum total damage. Okay, so what is... This seems like a sorting problem, right? So, whatever damage, right? Okay, yeah, I mean, this is a sorting problem, right? So what is the sort? So you sort by... I mean, is this just exchange argument, right? Yeah, this one is way easier, but that's fine. We should be able to get this. So for every second... So we want to sort by every second it does. So we always want to kill someone first, right? So then it's just damage times health over power round up or something, right? So here we have I don't know, whatever, P is so we want to sort this by... Do people get this way quickly? I feel like that seems kind of slow, actually. So maybe I'm just worried that I'm wrong. X is equal to x of 1 plus power minus 1 over power. So that's the number of cycles to kill it. Times damage, right? I wonder if this is right. I mean, you could, I mean, we can also write this in a more whatever way, but what is the thing for exchange? Python comparator. There's a thing that I always forget. Functools compared to key. I think I'd like to write it that way a little bit more. And then now it's basically okay. So if Okay, D1 health 1 is equal to X, D2 health 2 is equal to Y, right? So then now if we do an exchange if I think that's how I write it. We do an exchange if okay, so that means that if we do X before Y, I need to be better about doing this in my head, but we do X before Y, then now the total damage would be okay, so the H1 plus power minus 1 over power is the number of cycles. So then now this is the number of cycles before we kill 1. Right, so then you times this by D1 plus D2 because you take both damage, and then after that you add it by H2 plus power minus 1 over power times D2, right? Okay, so then now is this I don't remember it's supposed to return non-zero or whatever, but okay, fine. So then now Y before X is then now we have this thing. Okay, so then it's just this, but in here we have D1 plus, and you could probably simplify this, but is X1 before XY? I think that's what I want to answer, right? So then now we have this, right? Okay, maybe that looks roughly right, maybe. So then now we just do it, right? So then now here for DH and P, we want to say, okay, total damage. Also time is equal to 0. So then now we want to return total. So then the total time is going to be equal to H plus power minus 1 over power oh, that's just the time, I guess. Okay, fine. And then total we add time times damage. So then that's it in theory. It's not good. It's not enough though. It's not right though. But okay, fine. Why? I have to double check whether it's the sorting or it's the actual math. Right? 50 sounds really off. 320 is right though. I mean, so we get one thing right. Okay. Am I overcounting? I am overcounting. Okay, so we do the damage after the damage is done to me. So okay, so I just want to make sure that is right. Okay. How am I wrong? Oh, 20 is actually right. So we're only wrong this one, which is good because I already get something wrong now. Okay, so what is my input? My input is this, and we didn't seem like we sort anything, honestly, which is not great. We actually want to deal the last person first. Oh, we want to do the most damage, so maybe I did it in the reverse order? I don't know, but then it would be wrong for for problem 2, right? Okay, well this is not great because it doesn't even do anything. Maybe I just misread how I'm supposed to return here. maybe this should be good. This doesn't sort at all. Well, I mean, okay, so it does sort when you, so maybe that is just weird. Okay. Is it just, okay. So the sorting, the thingy works, but it's not doing quite what I thought it would. This is impossible to read also. I have a typo, I think. This should be a D1. I think I did a copy and paste thing wrong. D1, D2, this is D1. Still wrong though, why? Okay, so this is positive. Oh, I didn't do the parens right because I was lazy. Also, Larry, stop being dumb. Okay. YOLO? Yeah, I mean, that one is way easier. Yeah, I misread Q3, that's why. I mean, Q3 wasn't even that hard, I just misread it. Maybe, I don't know how many people got Q3 right now? 215, so that means that's not great for me. Because that means that a lot of people also got this one, right? So yeah, I don't know. I just misread this one altogether, honestly. As you saw. I misread. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that part's a little bit sad. Yeah. Obviously. I mean, it's fine, but I just misread it, that's all. I mean, Q4 was pretty straightforward. I just haven't written the syntax in a while. Yeah, I mean, because it's not that bad. It's just a sorting thing. And here you can, how do I reduce this, right? So it's left minus this. So that means that you can minus this part on the left side, right? Yeah, you can minus this one on the left side. I knew that I could do the simplification. It doesn't matter though, because it shouldn't matter that much. Because it only runs once per thingy. And then we minus this on this side. So that's how you get some people seeing it like this, right? Which actually makes sense. That's how I was intuitively thinking about it. But for this, I never know which side goes which way. So that's why I'm always try to write it out if I can. But yeah, that's literally exchange argument, right? So that makes it simple. Yeah, that typo cost me a good amount of time actually, right? Because I had a typo on here or something like that, which is a little bit unfortunate. But I think I copied and pasted, so it is what it is. I think I copied and deleted and I removed it incorrectly, or the wrong one, because I'm just rushing it. Didn't think of, I didn't think it through. I think that's the thing. I just copy and paste. Q3 I just misread for the longest time, honestly, right? Because this is just a combinatorial problem. I actually want to see my submission times. Okay. 1 second is fine. I mean, because I do a lot of like silly string stuff here. I was worried about running time, but it seems like it's fast enough. We have to care about the double counting a little bit. I think we have to anyway, because yeah, I just do not. Yeah, how would I think about this one? I don't know. I mean, yeah, you could do some math around it, but I didn't think you have to, and so I didn't. With I was relatively confident about the search space, because you can write this in a more canonical way, but it wasn't really necessary, right? Obviously, yeah. And I also messed up because I just forgot about. Like I knew what I wanted to do, but I just forgot about it. And I knew how to handle zeros relatively straightforward, but yeah. That's all I have for today. That's all I have for this contest. I mean, I think I did okay. Like I definitely could have done better. 49th maybe. I don't know if this is I guess it doesn't include China. 49th is okay considering I spent half an hour on the wrong problem. Or something like that, or not half an hour on it. I was half hour in, so 25 minutes on the wrong problem, right? So if you want to subtract 25 minutes, I did pretty okay. Like and I don't know if this is right. I mean, you can't do that, but I'm doing it anyway. If you subtract 25 minutes on my math, then I do like 30 minutes, then I would have been top 10. But that's also like lying, right? In that like Q3, like if I didn't like I did do some mental thinking during that 25 minutes, right? So it's not like a totally wrong 25 minutes, but yeah. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. That's all I have for this contest. Yeah, overall, I think this was an okay contest. Q4 is not a hard though. I don't know why they kind of, labeled as a hard. I feel like they're labeling as a hard because they don't want to say the two mediums to this contest. Because this one is actually easy. The way that, yeah, yeah, I misread this problem, but the way that this is done, it's pretty straightforward, I think. I mean, you need to know math, so there's a prerequisite here, but it's I don't think it's that bad otherwise. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to... Yeah, that's all I have for today. That's all I have for this contest. Thanks for watching. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.